In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete, close, or remove a Shopify store along with a connected store if you have one. We'll also delve into what deleting a store really means in Shopify terms to ensure you're clear on all the nuances. Let's start by understanding what it means to delete or close a store in the Shopify ecosystem. Deactivating or closing a regular paid Shopify store essentially means you're stopping its subscription. This action takes your storefront offline and halts any further billing. However, it's important to note that Shopify retains your store data for a certain period. This retention allows you to reopen the store or export your data later on if needed. For those using a partner account, archiving a store marks it as inactive, which helps keep your store list tidy, but the actual store and its data still exist. When talking about permanently deleting a store, the process becomes more complex. Certain customer and store data might be retained due to legal reasons or data retention rules, and you may need to request full deletion of personal or store data through Shopify support. Now, let's walk through the steps for closing or deactivating a Shopify store. First, you need to log into your Shopify admin area as the store owner. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section and then select Plan. In some stores, you might find this option under Account, specifically under Subscription or Billing Info. Look for the option that says Deactivate Store, Cancel Plan, or Close Store. Shopify will then prompt you to confirm your decision. You'll be asked to choose a reason for closing the store and may also be required to re-enter your password for security reasons. Once you confirm these details, your store will be deactivated, which means your storefront goes offline and you will stop receiving charges. Now, for those who have a partner account and wish to remove a development store from their list, here's what to do. In your partner dashboard, head over to the Stores section. Locate the store you intend to remove from your list, then go to Actions and select Archive Store. This process will remove it from your active store listing, but keep in mind, it doesn't permanently erase the store or its data. Archiving simply hides the store from your day-to-day view, but keeps everything intact in the background. These steps should help you confidently manage your Shopify stores, whether you're deactivating a store or organizing your partner account. Remember, understanding the implications of each action ensures you're making the right decisions for your business needs.